Welcome to this beautifully renovated home on a quiet street with views located in Gordon Head. My name is Craig Toker with the Toker Property Group, and I have the privilege of showing you this meticulously renovated home. So come on, let's go check it out. This home has been renovated as the homeowner's forever home, and no expense has been spared. This move-in ready home sits on a large 10,000 square foot corner lot with views of the ocean. Perfectly situated for the outdoor enthusiast and families, 1604 Maliva Lane is only steps to the beach and minutes away from Mount Doug Park. A short 8-minute drive to Mount Doug Golf, 11 minutes to Saanich Commonwealth Pool, 7 minutes to Gordon Head Rec Center, 15 minutes to Elk Lake Beach and the Rowing Club. The University of Victoria is only 7 minutes away, along with a bunch of the most desirable schools Gordon Head has to offer. This property has the location that many are looking for by being close to nature, close to the best schools, and even shopping. So, as you can see, there's a long list of upgrades that you really need to see in person to truly appreciate. The property and the views show much better in person, so I highly encourage you to book your showing today. Thank you. We'll see you soon.